In this video, we will discuss the term imagery. Introduction. The term imagery in literary criticism is a versatile concept that encompasses a wide range of meanings and applications, from evoking mental pictures to encompassing the entirety of a poem's components. Imagery plays a significant role in making poetry more concrete and engaging. This video explores the diverse uses of imagery in literary works, focusing on three distinct senses in which the term is commonly employed. Imagery as sensory perception. In its broadest sense, imagery refers to all the objects and qualities of sense perception that a poem or literary work portrays. This includes both literal descriptions and allusions to sensory experiences, as well as the vehicles of similes and metaphors. These sensory qualities can be visual, auditory, tactile, thermal, olfactory, gustatory, and kinesthetic. For example, William Wordsworth's poem, She Dwelt Among the Untrodden Ways, presents imagery that invokes not only visual elements but also auditory and tactile sensations. The reader may experience these sensory images to varying degrees, with some imagining vivid pictures while others perceive them in a more abstract manner. Vivid and specific descriptions. Narrowly defined, imagery represents specific and vivid descriptions of visible objects and scenes. This form of imagery is particularly powerful when the portrayal is highly detailed and particularized, creating a vivid mental picture for the reader. An example of this can be found in Marianne Moore's poem, The Steeplejack, where she paints striking and concrete imagery of a sea's colors, drawing comparisons to a peacock's neck and the art of Durer. Figurative language and poetic meaning. In modern usage, imagery often refers to figurative language, particularly the vehicles of metaphors and similes. The New Critics, following Carolyn Spurgeon's lead, emphasized imagery as a fundamental element of poetry, central to its meaning, structure, and emotional impact. They explored image clusters, recurrent groupings of metaphors and similes, as well as thematic imagery that establish the overall tonality of a literary work. By analyzing the implicit interaction of imagery, these critics sought to unveil the deeper literary themes and messages woven into the text. The study of imagery in all its forms allows scholars and readers to delve into the rich tapestry of literary expression, uncovering the intricate connections between sensory experiences, poetic language, and the profound meanings hidden within literary works. Conclusion. In conclusion, imagery serves as a bridge that connects sensory perception, poetic language, and profound literary meaning. The multifaceted use of imagery enriches our understanding of poetry and literature, inviting readers to embark on a journey through the realms of imagination and emotion. So this was the discussion on the term imagery. If you have any questions or doubts, you can ask in the comment section. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.